Pebble Geo Excel logging templates explained. Borehole logging in Pebble Geo is done using custom Excel templates. We offer two styles of template, project-based and single hole. Let's look at the project-based template first. The project-based template lets you enter all of the data from the site into one workbook. Enter all of your holes into the low-car sheet. Next, work through the various tabs to enter the data types you need. Next, let's take a look at the simple hole template. With this template, you'll create a new Excel workbook for each hole in the project. The template is laid out so that it is optimized for easy entry of data for one location. This makes it more practical when on the move and when using a mobile device like a tablet. In this mode, your project will consist of a series of Excel files arranged within a folder. Both templates capture the same data. They're just different data entry modes. You can easily convert projects between data entry modes too, giving you flexibility.